Let's see what happens when we heat and cool different substances found in the home. Have you ever wondered where the wax in a candle goes when you light it? Candle wax is made of carbon atoms surrounded by hydrogen atoms. When you burn a candle, the heat of the flame first turns the wax into a liquid, giving the wax molecules more room to move, but not changing the structure of the molecules. Keep heating the wax and the liquid is vaporized, which means the liquid gets turned into a hot gas. These vaporized molecules are drawn up into the flame where they react with oxygen in the air to create heat, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. Let's quickly look at a delicious example: melting chocolate. Chocolate is made out of finely ground cocoa and sugar in cocoa butter. The cocoa butter is a type of fat which has a low melting point. This is why chocolate melts in your mouth. When you melt chocolate over the stove, you need to be careful. The cocoa butter molecules will melt first and make the chocolate fluid. As long as you don't keep heating the chocolate, you can pour the chocolate into a new mould and let it cool. As it cools, the cocoa butter goes back into a solid state. Of course, after experimenting with chocolate, good scientists do the most important chocolate experiment: seeing how it tastes.